Are you a digital creator, or do you have a digital product and you're looking for a perfect platform to sell your product? Then you are in the right place, because in today's video I'm going to share with you a platform that allows you to sell your digital product totally for free. I know a lot of you have been searching for platforms that you can actually sell your digital product without expenses, and this platform is for you. Whether you have a digital product or physical product that you want to sell directly to your audience, this is the platform for you to use. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, what do you guys do here? We talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online, and how you can build wealth. We also talk about how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if these are the kind of topics you're interested in, you want to click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and watch this video till the end to get the most value from it. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you for always clicking on play each time you see any of my videos. Namaste. I appreciate all the effort you put into growing this small, amazing community. I hope you do get value from the videos you watch on this channel. Let me know on the comments which of them you've been able to get a side hustle or you are able to earn money from. You can just drop that on the comment section, or you could also follow the link on the description, the WhatsApp link on the description, or on the comment section. Click on it, and then you can join us on our WhatsApp group so we can be more communicative. It's a small community, but we are growing and we are impacting. Now, as a creator, you want to be able to find a platform where you can sell your digital products directly to your audience with little or no subscription. And Gumroad is the platform we're going to use today, and Gumroad makes it very easy, especially for startup digital creators, whereby you can actually start selling your product there without any registration. All you have to do is to create your account, upload the digital product you want to sell, you sell, and when you're about to withdraw your money, the only thing Gumroad takes from you is a little transaction fee. Like I'm saying, a very little transaction fee, so you can start up selling your product, and when you're ready to withdraw your earnings, you would now pay this transaction fee, and that is all Gumroad takes from you. And it also makes it easy for you to go directly to your audience without any third party, for you to start saying, oh, I have to pay this third party this amount of money or this amount of money. So this is one of the platforms I would recommend to you if you're starting out with your digital products. You can try out Gumroad and let me know how it works for you. If you face any difficulties, like I said, you can drop a comment or join the WhatsApp group, and let's share ideas on how we make money online. That being said, let's get into this website, this platform, and see exactly what you can do here, the kind of digital products you can actually sell on this platform. Now, before we get into this platform, these are the 4 questions we're going to answer that is very paramount to digital creators. Firstly, what can you sell on Gumroad? Secondly, how do I get paid? And thirdly, what is the fee to belong or to be able to sell your digital product on Gumroad? And fourthly, can I use Gumroad for membership? These are the 4 questions that are always paramount to every digital creator who is looking for a platform to sell their digital product. Now, come along with me right here. This is Gumroad platform. You can scroll through to see the different things you can sell, but it's easier right here at the top where you see all design, architecture. We have branding, entertainment, design, fashion design, front, graphic, iron. For the sake of time, we're not going to go through all of them. We have 3D right here. We have all 3D. We have 3D assets. We have 3D modeling, animating, AR/VR. Right here we have drawing and painting, all drawings and painting, artwork and commissions. Right here we have self-employment. We have all self-employment, cooking, craft, and DIY. We have dating and relationship outdoor. We have music and sound design, which they are different. Right here we have more, which we have film, software development, business and money. We have education, gaming, photography, writing and publishing. We have fitness and health. Now, when you ask the question, what can I sell on Gumroad? With this, you realize that whatever you have as a digital product, even a physical product, you can sell directly to your audience without a third party on Gumroad. So whatever digital product you have right now and you're looking for a marketplace, Gumroad is what I will recommend for you, especially when you are starting out, so that you can be able to sell, raise some money, and then you can have a reduction from the money you have earned or you have sold by this platform as your fee. And then you can also maximize your earnings on other platforms where you can sell your digital products. So you can sell whatever you have as a digital product and even a physical product. The second question is, how do I get paid? As a digital creator, you want to be able to find a platform where you can easily sell, and you also want to be able to find a platform that you can withdraw your money easily and not start struggling on how you can do that. And Gumroad makes it very easy for you. You can earn your money directly into your bank account depending on your location, and also you can withdraw your money through your PayPal account. So if your location cannot allow you to receive your money directly into your bank account, you can use your PayPal account to withdraw your money. You can watch this video right here if you're in a country that you have difficulties in using PayPal. This video will help you to be able to create a functional PayPal account so you can receive your money anywhere in the world, even if you can only pay. Now go watch this video and create a PayPal account for yourself so you'll be able to withdraw your money from Gumroad. So this actually varies from country to country. You might be in a country where you only need to withdraw your money through PayPal, and you can also be in a country where you can withdraw your money directly into your bank account and also through PayPal. And I know when it comes to directly into the bank account, it will be mostly the countries abroad like Canada, US, and the UK. So if you're in Africa, PayPal is the only option you will get on Gumroad. So you want to make sure you watch and create your functional PayPal account. And the next question is, what is the fee? This one is paramount to freelancers. I know because I've been there. One of the things I want to be able to do freely is to be able to get a platform where I can either sell for free or maybe with just little fee, but you don't have to worry about any fee, because right here on Gumroad you will create your account, you upload your digital products, you sell without any fee. It is totally free for anyone who has a digital product. The only time this platform will take money from you is when you are about to withdraw your money from the platform, and it is only a transaction fee, a little transaction fee. So you do not have to worry about. You just have to go there, create your account, upload your digital products, and you can sell directly to your audience without a third party platform withdrawing money from you. And the next question to be answered right here is, can I use Gumroad for membership? Yes, you can use Gumroad for membership. And Gumroad makes it even easy for you to manage this. Whether you are creating online courses or you are doing podcasts, you can actually have your membership and people queue into your membership and you earn money. So you can do this and earn a lot of money. Besides you selling the courses, you can also have your membership and you earn more from Gumroad. Amazing, right? If you love the research so far and you want to be seeing content like this and you want to join this amazing community so we can grow together, share ideas together, and make money together, you want to make sure you click on that like button, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and let me know on the comments if this is the first time you're hearing about Gumroad and if you're going to try out to sell your digital product directly to your audience without a third party bugging you on and off. Now, let's take a look at this platform, search for a particular digital product, and see how much these digital creators are selling. So right here, just click on one of these, depending on the digital products that you have. Let's click right here on sell improvement. All right, so right here, let's click on cooking. I love cooking, so we're going to do that. You can select all cooking, nutrition, or recipe. I want to search for recipe because I love cooking and I want to learn something new. So right here we have self-improvement, we have cooking, and we also have recipes. All right, so just scroll through, you will see different digital creators and what they are selling. Okay, so below here, I like this one, healthy, low carbs and diabetes friendly. All right, comfort food. Let's see what this creator has. This creator is selling this course for $9.99. Healthy, low carbs and diabetes friendly comfort food. All you have to do, let's click on it. All right, just like so. And right here we have the details of what this creator is selling. All right, you can take your time and read through, all right, to get familiar with this, so that when you start posting your own digital product, you would be able to do the same. Okay, so the recipe is right there, and these are the images of the amazing delicacy. So if you want to get this, I mean, all you have to do is to click right here on add to cart, all right, and it will be added to your cart, and you can get the details of this. This is just the synopsis of what this digital creator has, but you must be able to purchase this before you have access to the full recipe and how you can prepare these meals. Wow, I really love the images. Okay, now let's go back and search for another. So let's take this one right here, the 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 recipe book. All right, so if you click right here on it, let's see what it has to offer us. So right here, you can add it to your card. When you pay, you will have access to the recipe and to the amazing delicacy. All right, so here is the synopsis of what you can have. The 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒 recipe book. All right, this is sold for 25 Canadian dollars. Beef 4 has perhaps the most impressive nutritional profile of all dishes. All right, so when you add right here to your card and you pay, you will have access to this recipe and how you can prepare this meal. So let's take another example. For example, right here, let's go to films. In case you have a digital product like films, let's do all films. You can actually select comedy, dance, documentary, and movies. There are a lot of different films you can actually select right there. And right here, let's just take a look at what the creators or the digital creators have. So let's take a look at this one. It's Trapped. It's a skit. All right. This one is sold for $12.99, and all you can do to see the synopsis is just to click on it. And right here, you can add it to your cart, you pay, and you start enjoying this skit from this creator. Dating 4 people at the same time, a girl called Trash is just weighing her options. This is comical skit packed with lots of laughter and drama portrayed by Jamaican TikTok star. All right, so this is from Jamaica, and if you want to enjoy this, you have to come right here and add to your card, pay, and then you can watch this. So it's just as simple as that. Whatever digital product you have, you can come right here to Gumroad. You sell your digital product, you earn your money, and a little transaction fee will be taken from you when you're about to withdraw your earnings from this platform. Now, for you to be able to create an account and start selling your digital product, all you have to do is to come right here where you see about. You click on it just like so. Go from $0 to $1. With Gumroad, anyone can earn their first dollars online. Just start with what you know, see what sticks, and get paid. It's as easy as that. Now, you can actually scroll through the website to get familiar with this, or you could just click right here on where you see Start Selling. You create your account and you can upload your digital product. So when you click right here on Start Selling, you can actually create your account using Facebook, Google, or X. All right, so join over 195,242 creators who have earned over $1 billion on Gumroad selling digital products and memberships. Wow, this is amazing. So all you have to do is to click right here to sign up with your Google account or your Facebook account. It is as simple as that. All right, it's going to take you not up to a minute to create your Gumroad account, and you can upload your digital product and you start selling. If you are ready to start selling, just go down to the comment section and type right there amazing, so that I will know you are interested in selling your digital product on Gumroad. And also, if you want to enjoy amazing digital products, you can also come right here and you enjoy the different digital products that creators have on Gumroad. Now, if you click right here on features, it's going to bring you right here, product features, built for new beginners. Gumroad is a powerful but simple e-commerce platform that puts a wide selection of tools at your fingertips. Now you can sell the digital service you want, books, membership, courses, and more, right to your audience. All right, so you don't need any third party to do that. And here is how it's going to function. You open your account, you add your product, your digital product, you start selling, you repeat the process, and then you get paid. It is as simple as this, and you would start enjoying the fruits of your labor. Your store, your way. Gumroad plays well with others. Set up your store on other platforms or easily embed it on your existing site. So my darling online site hustlers, Gumroad is the way to go if you have a digital product and you've been looking for a platform where you can expose your talent and earn money. Gumroad is for you. I know a lot of you have already created your account right now that we are talking. We are ending the video right now and you're ready to start uploading your digital products. Kudos to you, and I wish you all the best for 2025. I want us all to get into 2025 ready to start earning this money. Now let me know in the comment section if you appreciate the efforts right now, and if this is your first time hearing about Gumroad, and if you also want to learn how you can create digital products, let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to put you through different platforms that you can use, and it will help you to create digital products, and you can be able to sell and use this like a side hustle besides your business or your 9 to 5 job. Now, before we go, one thing you should know when you're creating your account, if you do not want to use Facebook, you don't want to use Google, Stripe, or even your Twitter account, you can actually just fill in your information and make sure you fill your information as on your national ID card. I mean, this is where you're going to be earning your money. You don't want to face any difficulties when you want to withdraw that. It's a legal platform. Do not be afraid to put in your details, and Gumroad will not ask for any details that is not necessary. All right, so when you're filling your information, fill it as on your national ID card so you will not have any problem. Love you all, and thank you all for watching this video up till this end. And if there is any other platform you want me to talk about, let me know. And most importantly, I want to know where you are watching me from. This is so that when I'm creating a video, I can create a video specific to your country and your location. Thank you all. Do not forget to click on the like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and share this video to as many people as possible. Until next time, keep creating, keep searching, and never ever give up on what you want to do. Bye.